Welcome to Review Lab. The best roaster pan is probably one of the most indispensable kitchen tools for anyone who loves preparing succulent holiday turkeys, perfectly roasted chickens, or tender root vegetables, transforming everyday meals into gourmet experiences with its ability to evenly cook and crisp foods while collecting delicious drippings for gravies and sauces, making it an essential investment for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs alike. Number 5. Cuisine Stainless Steel 8.5 x 12-inch Cooling and Baking Rack. Crafted from professional-grade 304/18/8 stainless steel, this rack features strong, heavy-duty wire grids and smooth, no-snag edges. Its full 1-inch height ensures superior all-around airflow, guaranteeing even cooking, cooling, and roasting every time. Made from 100% stainless steel, it's incredibly easy to clean. You can safely wash it in the dishwasher without worrying about rust or chrome flaking into your food. This ensures long-lasting, superior quality for all your culinary adventures. This versatile rack is safe for oven use up to 575 degrees Fahrenheit. Its high heat tolerance allows you to confidently roast, bake, grill, smoke, dry, and even barbecue. It truly expands your cooking possibilities. Designed to perfectly fit small 13 by 9-inch quarter sheet baking pans or cookie sheets, it's a seamless addition to your bakeware collection. Its precise dimensions are 12.0 by 8.5 by 1.0 inches, ensuring a snug and stable fit. Proudly designed in Colorado, USA, this rack promises professional-grade performance for a lifetime. With your purchase, you'll also receive a complimentary recipe ebook containing over 100 delicious treats and savory meals. What we like. This robust rack is crafted from heavy-duty 304 stainless steel, ensuring exceptional durability and resistance to rust. It's completely dishwasher-safe and oven-safe up to 575 degrees Fahrenheit, making it incredibly versatile for all your cooking needs. If you are looking for a standalone, high-quality rack that perfectly fits your quarter-sheet pans and can withstand high heat for roasting, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Cuisine Quarter-Sheet Pan with Wire Rack Set. Discover the ultimate baking and cooking companion for your kitchen. This versatile set is perfect for all your culinary adventures, from baking cookies to roasting vegetables. Use them together or separately to unlock endless possibilities. Say goodbye to tedious scrubbing. Cleaning this set is a breeze, saving you valuable time. The rack is dishwasher safe, and the pan cleans up quickly with a simple hand wash. Crafted from durable, food-safe aluminum, the pan is designed for professional baking. It resists warping and rust, ensuring it will be a reliable staple in your kitchen for years to come. Its specialized reinforced steel rim adds extra strength. Unlike others, the included rack is made from 100% 304 stainless steel. This means no worries about rust or chrome flaking into your food. It's also dishwasher and oven safe, offering long-lasting, superior quality. Proudly designed in Colorado, USA, this set is engineered for exceptional performance. Plus, elevate your cooking with a free recipe ebook, packed with over 100 delicious ideas to try. What we like. This comprehensive set provides both a premium aluminum baking sheet and a 100% stainless steel rack. The pan is warp-resistant with a reinforced steel rim, while the rack is dishwasher-safe and oven-safe without chrome flaking. If you need a complete, high-quality baking and roasting solution right out of the box, this duo offers superior performance and easy cleanup. What people say. Number 3. HexClad Hybrid Roasting Pan with Rack. Experience the revolutionary HexClad hybrid technology. Its unique laser-etched hexagonal surface combines stainless steel with Terabond ceramic coating. This design ensures both an ultimate sear and effortless cleanup. This unique roasting pan is perfect for all your culinary needs. It's ideal for roasting turkeys, vegetables, and large roasts, and even baking family-sized lasagnas and casseroles. You can also make delicious gravies right on your stovetop. Crafted with tri-ply construction and an aluminum core, it ensures quicker, even heating. This pan is safe to use on any home cooktop, including induction, providing consistent results every time. Designed for convenience, it's metal utensil safe and dishwasher friendly. You can confidently use it in the oven up to an impressive 900 degrees Fahrenheit, making it incredibly versatile for all your cooking adventures. When purchased from HexClad Cookware, this product comes with a lifetime warranty. This ensures protection against manufacturer's defects, giving you peace of mind with your investment. Your purchase includes one generously sized HexClad roasting pan. It also comes with a convenient rack, designed to keep your roast elevated and prevent it from touching the bottom. What we like. Featuring revolutionary hybrid technology, this pan combines stainless steel and ceramic non-stick for superior searing and effortless cleaning. It boasts an impressive oven-safe temperature of up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit and is compatible with all cooktops, including induction. If you desire a professional-grade pan that offers the best of both worlds, durability, non-stick performance, and extreme heat resistance for stovetop gravies and oven roasts, this is your go-to. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points about the roaster pan with rack can be extracted as requested. Number 2. All-Clad Specialty Stainless Steel Roaster with Rack. This large roaster offers generous space for all your culinary needs. You can easily cook large cuts of meat or multiple dishes at once, making meal prep a breeze. Crafted from heavy-gauge, polished 1810 stainless steel, it guarantees exceptional durability and longevity. This robust construction ensures it will be a staple in your kitchen for years to come. Its cooking surface resists sticking, making maintenance incredibly easy. It also promotes even roasting and ensures cleanup is a breeze after every meal. With a high heat tolerance, it is oven and broiler safe up to an impressive 600 degrees Fahrenheit. The included roasting rack can withstand temperatures up to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's also dishwasher safe for added convenience. It's backed by All-Clad's limited lifetime warranty, assuring you of its quality. Designed in Canonsburg, Pennsylvania, it brings trusted performance to your kitchen. What we like. This generously sized roaster offers ample space, perfect for large family meals or entertaining. Crafted from heavy-gauge 1810 polished stainless steel, it ensures exceptional durability and a non-reactive cooking surface. If you frequently cook large turkeys or roasts and value a premium, long-lasting pan with a non-stick rack for easy food release, this is an ideal choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as the source content is empty. Number 1. NutriChef Premium Stainless Steel Roasting Pan with Rack. Experience effortless cooking with its premium polished interior and exterior. Food won't stick, ensuring a perfect release every time. Plus, it's PFOA-free for your peace of mind. Cleaning is a breeze, simply place it in the dishwasher without worry. You can also confidently use it in the oven for cooking and serving, as it withstands temperatures up to 450 degrees. Crafted from robust stainless steel, it offers exceptional durability and strength. This pan resists warping and features wide handles for a secure, confident grip, making it truly ideal for all your roast needs. Enjoy a consistently smooth cooking and roasting experience. Its high-quality stainless steel construction ensures no issues with lifting food or concerns about its durability, even with frequent use. Cleaning this pan is incredibly simple, whether by hand or in the dishwasher. Its design allows fats and oils to drip away easily, further simplifying your post-cooking routine. What we like. This pan features a premium polished interior and exterior, ensuring your dishes won't stick and cleanup is a breeze. Its durable stainless steel construction provides warp resistance and extra strength, complemented by wide handles for a confident grip. If you prioritize a smooth cooking experience with easy food release, comfortable handling, and a robust pan that stands up to frequent use, this one delivers. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.